Hi children, welcome back. Today we are starting with a new chapter, that is chapter 12, perimeter, area and volume. You have already learned how to find perimeter and area and all. Now this volume is a new term to you. We'll come to that. First in this video we'll discuss about the perimeter of a square and rectangle. Teach you how to find out the perimeter of a square and a rectangle. Okay. Now children, before that you should know what is a perimeter. What is a perimeter, children? Perimeter is the distance around the edge of the figure. That is, suppose I draw one figure over here. Okay. And its measures like 2, 1, 2, something like that. Okay. So how will I find the perimeter of that figure? I will add up all the sides. That is meant by perimeter is the distance around the edge of a figure. Perimeter is the distance around the edge of a figure. Perimeter is the distance around the edge of the figure. You just add up to get the perimeter of a figure. Now here I am going to teach you how to find out the perimeter of a rectangle and perimeter of a square. So children, this is a rectangle. You know what is a rectangle? It's a four-sided figure in which the opposite sides are equal. It is a four-sided figure in which the opposite sides are equal. So what I have given? I have given a name for these sides. Usually the longer side. The longer side I have given the name as length. The name is length and I have denoted with the small letter L. Then the shorter sides are denoted by the name breadth, in short denoted by the small letter B. Okay. Sometimes they will give you in the question as width also. That is same, breadth and width both are same. Now what do we do to find the perimeter? We will add up all the sides, isn't it? So that is what I have done over here. See, perimeter of the rectangle. I have added the sides L plus B plus L plus B. Okay. So I have added 2 times L. 2L is there. That is why I have written 2L. Again B I have added 2 times. So I have written 2B. Now in this you can see 2 is common. So I have taken out 2 and I have put L plus B inside the bracket. 2 is common for both L and B. So I have taken out 2 and I have put L plus B inside the bracket. So children, what you have to study is you need to study only this. Perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 times L plus B. Perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 times L plus B. Instead of adding that length again and adding that breadth again, what you will do? You will add the length and breadth once, and just multiply by 2. Okay. So what is given inside the bracket? This is what, just to show you how we are getting this formula. What is given inside the bracket? Perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 times L plus B. This is what you have to study. Okay, that is very important. This is what you have to study. Perimeter of rectangle equal to 2 times L plus B. The 2 outside the bracket means you are multiplying the answer with 2. First you will add length and breadth. That answer you will multiply by 2. Okay. Now coming to perimeter of a square. In a square we know all the 4 sides are equal. So I have given it a letter A. So how do we find the perimeter? We will add up all the sides, isn't it? A plus A plus A plus A. That is what I have done. But instead of adding that A 4 times, what have I done? I have multiplied that A with 4. Why? Because multiplication is repeated addition. So instead of adding this 4 times, I will multiply that letter with A, that number. Okay. So 4 into A. We don't know what is A. Depending on each square, that measure will change. So what is this A? A means it is the length of one side. So here also children, you need to study only this. Perimeter of a square equal to 4 into A. What is A? It is the length of one side. And we know in a square all the sides are equal. So instead of adding it again and again, just take the length of one side and multiply by 4. Okay children? So we will do some questions based on that. First one, find the perimeter of the square. Side of the square is given to you. How to find perimeter of the square? We know in a square all the sides are equal. So if you get one side, that is enough to find perimeter. How to find perimeter? Perimeter of the square is equal to 4 into A. That A means what? It is the side of the square. So children, for all the questions you should write the formula. That is very important. Perimeter of square equal to 4 into, you can write length of one side or you can also write 4 into A. Whichever you want you can write. Okay. So what is this A given? It is 3. So 4 into 3 centimeter, that is equal to 12 centimeter. Okay, just multiply by 5 to get the perimeter. Next one, side of the square is given 18 centimeters. So write perimeter of square. Perimeter of the square is equal to 4 into A. What is A? 18. So 4 into 18. Now, what is 4 into 18? 4 8s are 32. Carry 3. 4 1s are 4 plus 3 you get 7. You get 72 centimeter. Understood, children? Now, third question. Side of the square is equal to 41 centimeter. Right. Perimeter of square. Every question I want you to write the formula. Perimeter of the square is equal to 4 into A. Again, what is A given here? What is the side given? 41 centimeter. So 4 into 41. How much is 4 into 41? 4 into 1 is 4. 4 into 4 is 16. So you are getting 164 centimeter. Understood? So you have two questions for homework here. Side of the square is given 65 centimeter. Write the formula, apply the value and multiply and write the answer. What unit is given in the question? Same unit you have to give it in the answer. Okay. Again, side of the square is equal to 94 centimeter. So write perimeter of the square equal to 4 into A, that is equal to 4 into 94. Multiply and get the answer. So understood how to find perimeter of a square? So do these two questions for homework. Now, we'll do next set of questions. Find the perimeter of rectangle. How do you find the perimeter of the rectangle, children? The length and breadth is given to you. What was the formula? Perimeter of rectangle. You add the length and breadth and you'll multiply by 2. So you write it as 2 into L plus B. Very important, write the formula for all the questions. 2 into L plus B. What is L? 2 centimeter. What is breadth? 1 centimeter. So you put the values 2 into 2 plus 1. 2 centimeter plus 1 centimeter. You add what is inside the bracket. First you should add what is inside the bracket. 2 plus 1 what you will get? 3. Multiply that 3 with 2. So 2 into 3 you will get 6 centimeter. 2 into 3, 6 centimeter. Understood? Next one. Length. Perimeter of rectangle. Yes, what is the formula, children? 2 into L plus B. What is L? L is 5 centimeter, breadth is 3 centimeter. So 2 times L, 5 plus 3. What is 5 plus 3? 8. So you multiply that 8 with 2. 2 into 8, you will get 16 centimeter. Unit is also very important. Don't forget to write the unit. So 2 into 8, 16 centimeter. Now question C and D is homework for you, children. Write the formula, apply the value. Perimeter of the rectangle equal to 2 into L plus B. L and B is given to you. Length and breadth is given to you. I'll show you one more question. Perimeter of rectangle. The last question I'll show you. 2 into L plus B. L is 9 centimeter, B is 7 centimeter. So 2 into 9 plus 7. How much is 9 plus 7, children? Yes, it is 16. So 2 into 16 centimeter. 2 into 16 is 32 centimeter. Okay, children? Understood how to find the perimeter of a square and a rectangle? Understood? This is how you find the perimeter of a square and the rectangle. Now children, we will move on to the next set of questions. The perimeter is given. Perimeter is given. You have to find the side. Find the side of the square. Perimeter is given to you. You have to find the side of the square, children. So, first one, perimeter of the square is given. Perimeter is equal to 28 centimeter. Children, when the side of the square was given and you were asked to find perimeter, what did you do? When the side of the square is given and to find perimeter of the square, what did you do? You multiplied by 4, isn't it? You took the side and you multiplied by 4. Here the perimeter is given to you and they are asking you to find the side. What will you do? Just opposite, you will divide by 4. So you will write side equal to perimeter divided by 4. Once again I am telling you children, when the side was given to you and you were asked to find perimeter, what did you do? You multiplied by 4. Here perimeter is given to you and they are asking you to find the side. What should you do? Divide by 4. So how much is the perimeter? 28 centimeter divided by 4. 4's table, where you get 28 children? 7 4s are 28. So the answer is 7 centimeter. Okay, this is how you have to do. Show you one more. Question B. Perimeter equal to 96 centimeter. You have to find out the side. What should you do? Side equal to perimeter divided by 4. Perimeter divided by 4. Perimeter is 96. So 96 centimeter divided by 4. You don't know 4's table where you will get 96. So you can just divide and see. 96 divided by 4. Do it in the working column. 2 times 4 gives you 8. When you minus you get 1. Bring down 6. How many times 4 goes in 16? 4 4s are 16. So what is the answer? What is the side of the square? Side of the square is 24 centimeter. So when the perimeter is given and they ask you to find out the side, what should you do? You should divide it with 4. Okay. Shall we do some bigger questions? Question C. Perimeter is 172 centimeter. Children, this you can do it as homework. Question D. Perimeter equal to 384 centimeter. This I will show you. So they have asked you to find the side. So how to find out the side? Side is equal to perimeter. Side equal to perimeter divided by 4. How much is the perimeter given? 384 centimeter divided by 4. Divide it in the working column. 384 divided by 4. 3 is smaller than 4, so we cannot start our division. So we will take 38. How many times 4 goes in 38? 9 4s are 36. When you minus you get 2. Bring down 4. How many times 4 goes in 24? 6 4s are 24. So 6 4s are 24. When you minus you get 0. So what is the side of the square? Side of the square is 96 centimeter. Side of the square is 96 centimeter. Okay. Every question you just have to divide with 4. You need to know only 4's table. Okay. So I will give you one more homework question, children. Perimeter equal to 556 meter. Here the unit is meter. Perimeter is 556 meter. So answer should be given in meter. Side of the square will be in meter. Okay children. So what unit is given in the question? Same unit you have to give it in the answer. Okay. Understood how to find perimeter of a square? Perimeter. Once again, perimeter of the square you have to find out. Multiply by 4. Perimeter is given and they ask you to find the side of the square. Divide it with 4. Okay. Then how to find perimeter of a rectangle? 2 times L plus B. First you add the length and breadth and then you will multiply by 2. Okay children. Thank you.